Take out all necessary items for easy assembly. Remove the triangle screw fastened to the base. Insert the upright frame hydraulic pump into the base. Locking screw. Remove the screw fixed on the upright frame. Align the holes connecting the hanger rod to the upright frame. Insert the screw and tighten it using a hex wrench and a large hex wrench. Remove the pin fixed on the hydraulic pump. Line up the holes for hydraulic pump and suspension rod. Insert the pin and secure it with an open ring. Remove the screws from the upright frame. Fix the wire of the foot pedal onto the upright frame with a screw. After fixing both sides, flip foot pedal up. Pull open the screw fixed on the knee pad and insert the knee pad. Insert the control lever into the hole behind the base. And tighten it with a small Allen wrench. Adjustable bottom control lever. Rear locking casters. Hang up the sling. The product is shown in the video upon completion of assembly.